Scott don't like it. All right, we crack another one. Scott gonna freak out soon. Hi, Poo Poo. I don't know, it's loud now. He see a couple, I know he don't like the sound that much. Yeah. All right. You ready for the big one, lady?
Yes.
Okay. Where's the lighter? Yay! No sound?
Oh, no, these are little ones. This is the sound of this guy.
As the Scarlet did it.
You gotta touch the lighter, Scarlett.
It's not that bad, Scarlet.
Just touch the lighter.
You're running up. Gentle run.
Okay.
What's that?
Hello.
Hello? Hello? Let's go. Time's wasted.
Hello.
Next.
Next.
No, can we do this one?
All right.
Yay!
What is it?
It's a fire ant.
I'm not scared. I want to see.
Go. As soon as you watch it so that you see when to run, Gaki. But don't run fast.
And guess what? It's not gonna pop right away. It's not gonna pop right
That's why it
away.
has a wick. That's why it has a wick. You have time to run.
It's
A
not
long
pop
string.
right
That's
away.
why you have time to run. It's a timer. You got 3 bananas to get up and run. 1 banana. You got 3 bananas to run. Stand up and then walk away. Oh man.
Hello, this is my backpack. I'm bringing sunscreen and insect repellent, some candy, yeah, a lot of snacks, chips, that, and then I'm bringing my hat and a flashlight. And then a water bottle, the shoes, and a lot of clothes in here. Yeah, it's for camp tomorrow, as Mom said.
And Scott.
He's not sleeping.
But the puppy is sleeping.
Yeah. It turned off. This puppy sleeping. Scotty not sleeping. He's
No.
watching his Bluey.
And it's 12 midnight. Scarlett, it's time to go sleep, and Jessie, time to go sleep.
Yeah, it's 12. It looks like she's dying. The little brother.
Still drinking.
Yeah.
Okay, good night. Let's go
Yeah.
put that thing over there.
Okay.
So when
Good
you
night.
zip line, you
I'll write that down in shorthand.